Hi, everybody. Some mountain snow coming up overnight. We will see some snow developing Friday afternoon, Denver and across the plains. It continues into Saturday, and then over the weekend, cold. Next week, a little bit milder. This is the snowfall forecast from this system. Pretty decent little snowmaker, 3 to 6 for lower elevation, 6 to 10 expected in the mountains. Good news for us as far as helping us get out of the drought. We still have pretty good drought conditions developing over southwest Colorado, but this storm will help as it brings some moisture in across the southern part of the state. Not a huge storm, but a decent one, and then it really creates a lot of rain and thunderstorm activity over the lower Mississippi Valley over the weekend. 7 to 10 day forecast looks like this. We're going to be cold through the weekend, milder next week with temperatures back to the 40s Monday and Tuesday, 50s Wednesday and Thursday. Here's the extended outlook. Warmer than average across much of the United States. We are a little wetter than average on the 30-day forecast. 90-day also warmer northern portions of the U.S. and a little wetter, especially eastern Colorado. Thanks for watching.